Alright, point-slope form. The reason that we have point-slope form is because every situation is not the same. If it were, you would have been done with math probably 5 years ago. Sometimes you're not going to know what the slope or the y-intercept are. Sometimes you're going to know just the slope and the another coordinate of the graph, or sometimes you might just know 2 coordinates of the graph. So we have the point-slope form, which is, as you can see, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Okay, again, m is a slope, but those two things right there are a coordinate anywhere on the line of the graph. Okay, so let's say that the information that you are given is, oh yeah, I forgot to mention this. The book almost always asks you to put the equation in slope-intercept form. So once you have it in point-slope form, you're going to need to do some algebraic manipulations to it in order to get it into slope-intercept form. So let's say that you are told that a line with slope 2 goes through the point 1, 3. Find the equation in slope-intercept form. So again, how do we know what to do here? Well, we have a point and we have the slope, so we're going to use the point-slope formula. So we just write it down and then plug the values in that we know. We know what y1 is, we know what m is, we know what x1 is. So I'm going to pull those out and put the others in. Okay, that is point-slope form. Now I just need to move some things around in order to put it in slope-intercept form. So distribute, bring 3 over, and that is your answer. Now, as long as I'm at it, I'm going to throw something else in there. I don't know how I'm going to do this though, so let me think about this a second. Good. Now, sometimes you will be given, instead of a point and a slope, sometimes you'll be given 2 points. So let's just say that you know it goes through -1, 4, and 3, oh, I don't know, 10. And they want you to come up with the equation in slope-intercept form. Okay, so you got to think about what the name is, slope-intercept. So the first thing I need to do is find out what the slope is. Alright, so I'm going to take 10 minus 4 on top and 3 minus -1 on bottom. That's going to give me 6 over 4, which is 3/2. So first find your slope. Now we have the slope and a point. And it's not writing form. There we go. So we'll pop this into point-slope form. Y minus 10 equals 3/2 x minus 3. And then you're back to the same type of situation we were just in. Point-slope form, distribute, bring that over, and you'll have it in slope-intercept form. Okay, so that's how you handle it if you're given 2 coordinates. That is the end of this video.